Hello everyone, my name is Wes Novack and welcome to my course, DevOps on AWS Getting Started. I am a cloud architect and engineer with extensive experience working with Amazon Web Services. AWS invented the public cloud market, and to this day, it is still the most popular public cloud provider in the world. In this course, we're going to learn how to get started with DevOps on AWS using their native continuous delivery tools. Some of the major topics that we will cover include deploying apps with code deploy, continuous integration with code build, and automating software releases with AWS Code Pipeline. By the end of this course, you'll know how to set up a fully featured continuous delivery pipeline that uses these native AWS DevOps services. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with general AWS infrastructure options, the AWS CLI, and simple application deployments using services like CloudFormation, OpsWorks, or CodeStar. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn continuous delivery the AWS way with this DevOps on AWS Getting Started course here at Pluralsight.